Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry for waiting so long to make a video. It's been crazy, a lot of stuff going on, but here, as promised, is the extension to the Etsy SEO with Marmalade. I'm going to show you how you can look at your promoted listings and see which of your keywords are actually getting you the most clicks and the most sales. So right here, I am in my promoted listings area of Etsy. And just something I want to point out, if you're hesitant about doing promoted listings, let me show you something. Check this out. We're going to do all time. Now, if you were to pay almost $6,000 to make $27,000 just from promoted listings, would you do it? Because I would do it again. Now, this is since 2011, but let's check last year. So look at that. Paid that much and I got that much in return. All right, so what I recommend, you should have promoted listings on for at least a good month. And if you've never done promoted listings and you don't know where to start, let me just get this set up for this year. I recommend doing it this way, and this is generally, you saw the revenue that's coming in. This is how I have it set up. I set my daily budget to $50. No, it has never gone anywhere near $50. Sometimes it'll go up to $10, but usually nothing more than that. Okay, so down here in advanced settings, you want to click this on. So you're going to set a maximum bid for your cost per click. That means when somebody clicks on your ad, that's how much you're going to get charged. Now, mind you, the higher your CPC, the higher up you're going to show for the given search term. So let's say it's a very competitive search term like ring. There's probably millions of listings. You would be paying a lot of money to land on the first page. But this is why we want to do our keyword research, and we want to find those super niche keywords so that we're not having to fight through all that competition. Okay, back to the topic here. I set mine at a maximum of 10 cents per click. Now, if it's the holidays, I might bump it up to 20 cents, but I found much success with 10 cents per click. And then again, you're never gonna hit your maximum, and just to be safe, put your maximum of what you are willing to part with on a daily basis. All right, so now that we have that set up, I will show you what I mean here. Okay, so I do have this set for the year. Okay, so I'm gonna go down. I had just checked one that's a really good example of what I'm trying to show you here. Okay, so right here, 47 search terms. Let's click on that. Okay, so this year I've paid $25 to advertise this listing, and I've generated over $400. Pretty awesome, right? This is what I'm talking about right here, and this, okay? So the buyers are searching for man earring, and it results in a high click rate, meaning when they see the ad, they're clicking on it, but they're also purchasing. That's awesome. Now, in the last video, and I think a couple of the other videos that I've done, I told you that you could stuff completely unrelated keywords into the tags, and it doesn't matter because Etsy's gonna pull from here, from there, and they're gonna cram it all together. So right here, man, earring, earring from here, earring from there. Okay, this is where it's pulling its data from. That's pretty awesome. Let's see here. Right here, we have a high click rate, but not a high order rate. So that means that isn't converting the greatest. Well, it shows not at all for promoted listings. So we don't know if that's the same for the normal listing, like say they found it in search and it wasn't a promoted listing. We don't have the data here to let us know. All we know is the promoted listings data, just to make that clear. Okay, over here, Norway, high click rate, high click rate. This is such valuable information here. Look at that rune earring, and it's pulling data from all here. High order rate. So these are things you really want to look out for. Let's see. You get the picture with that. Now, let's take that term rune earring and let's put that into Marmalade. That is marmalade.com. So here we go, rune earring. And what was the other one that was a high order rate? Man earring. Who would have thought? That's quite a funny search term, but very, very general as well. All right, let's wait. I've had a lot of coffee today. Come on, Marmalade. Okay. And this is very interesting as well. Because remember in the keyword research, that the videos that I've done about that, we want to target something with better statistics. Because look at that, less than 25 searches per month, less than 25 engagement, and there's this many listings competing, okay? But somehow it's getting a lot of clicks and it's getting a lot of orders. That's why it is so awesome to have the promoted listings, because you can really see where your money's going and what's getting you sales. Man earring, my goodness. And look at the competition on that. I really couldn't tell you how I'm getting sales from that keyword, but it's happening. Now, I wanted to show you something else here. This is new, it's still in beta. I don't know how accurate it is. Search analytics. So, look at that. Okay, that's cool. They're showing you your conversion rate. That's very interesting. So for the last month, let's see if we can do that for this year. Okay. So almost 1%. Okay. So right here, it shows you how much you've earned through search. Oh, and look at this. See, I haven't really looked much into it because it says it's in beta, so you know, they're testing stuff here. This is very valuable information. Okay, now there is another thing I wanted to point out to you. Now, this is my brand new t-shirt printable shop. Okay, so we are finally in my new print shop, and I opened it just this year, and I've turned promoted listings on, and I've gotten nothing from it. This shop has had, I believe, 8 sales now. The reason why I haven't put much into it is because I'm waiting for pictures from my model so I can have some, you know, really pretty images for the main image. So this year, $91, 0 revenue. Okay. So there was one in particular that was sucking up a lot of money, and I wanted to point out the search terms that I was using probably weren't very relevant to what people were wanting. And it's this one in particular. It's the goat skull. All right, so we're gonna click on here. So look at this, over 5,000 impressions and only 6 people clicked. Something is wrong. And we can find out what that is, okay? So taxidermy. Yes, I know it's not a real taxidermy goat skull, but you would think, you know, people into that kind of thing would be into a shirt like this. Okay. Oddity. People aren't really liking it. Okay. So this one I would definitely want to reevaluate my keywords, because whatever I have in there, it's just not converting anyone. It's definitely don't want to have promoted listings on for that. So if you see that in your shop and it's just sucking the money, just turn it off. If you think you need to rearrange the SEO, look into that, copy your listing and test it just to see. This shirt has not sold, so when I get some time, I'll probably look into that. I think that's it for this video. I've rambled on for quite a bit. If you have questions, please post them in the comments below. Also, check out the links. I have a Facebook group. We've got 80 members now, so that's awesome. Yeah, definitely check out the links, and we'll be waiting for you in the Facebook group. So see you in the next video. Bye.